Right, that'll work. So yeah, get and play by yourself. So parking brake on. Don't think, can have a good old play. As long as you're back on the ground by sort of, I don't know.
So what time do you want me down? I haven't got a clock on, a watch on by the way, so...
Oh, you are naughty. Right. You stop wearing a watch.
I gave it to someone.
You go off and do, I'm trying to think, go off and do 40 minutes by yourself.
40 minutes.
Sound good?
Yeah.
So timer's ticking away quite merrily. So yeah, just after landing checks and then pre-takeoff checks as well, okay?
Okay.
When you make your first radio call, it's student Golf Tango Alpha Lima, or just student Golf Lima Golf, and then just back to Golf Lima Golf from there on in, okay?
Okay.
Any questions?
No, so after landing checks and then pre-takeoff checks.
And then away, radio calls and away you go, yep.
No problems. See you shortly. Right. Car beat, set to cold, flaps are up. Dimmers to neutral, yes, throttle friction is loose, fuel pump is off for now, radio.
And Lima Delta, we'll follow the PA28 after his departure.
Pre-takeoff checks.
Roger.
Okay. Throttle is set for takeoff.
Tatenhill Golf, Lima Echo is overhead with feel free join.
Type mixtures.
Roger, Lima Echo. We're still using runway 26 left hand and the QFE is 997 millibars. And the circuit is just about to become active.
Yes they are, T's and P's are in the green. Radio and avionics set as required, hatch and harness secure. Tank. Car peaks said. Go. Student Golf Lima Golf, holding 26, ready for departure.
Roger, Lima Golf.
Parking brake off. Go.
Tatenhill radio, Golf Tango Alpha Lima Alpha, currently Bridgeford Reservoir, 1250 feet, QNH 1014, request airfield information.
Roger. We're still using runway 26 left hand. The QFE is 997 millibars, and be aware the circuit is just about to become active.
Runway 26 left hand, QFE 997 hectopascals. I copy the circuit active. Request QNH.
1012.
QNH 1012, Golf Lima Alpha.
Golf Lima Echo descending dead time. Roger, Lima Echo.
Golf Lima Golf, taking off, 26.
Roger, Lima Golf.
Tatenhill radar element 09 Alpha, starting engines, flight to the east, Burton Gentle.
Roger, Helmet 09 Alpha. We're using runway 26 left hand. The QNH is 1012, and the QFE, if you require, is 997. And be aware our circuit is now active.
26 left 1012, 997, understood, 09 Alpha, thank you.
Lima Delta, we're going to line up, wait for the helipad to depart.
Roger.
I'm at 80. Nose high. Turn dead side.
Golf Lima Alpha, going to join downwind for runway 26.
Roger, Lima Alpha.
Tatenhill radar element 09 Echo, stand down, call, shutting down.
Roger.
And that case, Lima Delta's rolling.
Roger, Lima Alpha. The wind is 250 at 12 knots.
Golf Lima Delta.
Golf Lima Echo's downwind. Roger.
Golf Lima Golf, downwind 26, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Golf.
Shot that a little bit. Let's get it in trim. Ground landing checks. Brakes are off. Undercarriage is down. Mixture's rich. Fuel pumps on. T's and P's are in the green. RP on. Hatches and harnesses secure. Bit nose high. Turn onto base. Oh, yeah. Fucking hell. Follow this one in. So he's coming into land.
Golf Lima Alpha, downwind, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Alpha.
2-stage of flap. Coming into land. Just kill the revs and sink down to about 500 feet now.
Golf Lima Echo's final touch and go. Roger, Lima Echo. The wind is 240 at 13.
Yeah. Stage of Golf Lima Golf, final 26 touch and go.
Roger, Lima Golf. The wind is 240 at 14.
Over.
Golf Lima Alpha, final touch and go.
Roger, Lima Alpha. The wind is 250 at 15 knots.
Circuit today. Too sharply.
Golf Lima Echo, downwind.
Roger, Lima Echo.
Just for information, Golf Lima Delta's operating to the northwest of the field up to 3,500 feet.
Thank you, Lima Delta.
Golf Lima Golf, downwind 26, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Golf.
Trim. Still not trim. Okay. Brakes are off, undercarriage is down, mixture's rich, fuel pump is on, T's and P's are in the green. Carpet is on. Hatches and harness is secure. A big circuit over there. Now back to 17, just sink down 500.
Golf Lima Echo final, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Echo. The wind is 250 at 12 knots.
Golf Lima Golf, final 26, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Golf. The wind is 245 at 16.
Golf Lima Alpha, downwind, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Alpha.
Blowing a bit up here. Shit. Drop the flaps then, stupid.
Golf Lima Echo, downwind.
Roger, Lima Echo.
Turn downwind.
Golf Lima Alpha, final touch and go.
Roger Lima Alpha, the wind is 240, 12 knots.
Golf Lima Golf, downwind 26, touch and go.
Roger Lima Golf.
Okay, brakes are off, undercarriage is down, mixture is rich, fuel pump is on, fuel sufficient for a go around, T's and P's are in the green, carb heat's on, engine harnesses are secure. Did a better job than last time.
Lima Echo final.
Roger Lima Echo, the wind is 250, 15 to 20 knots.
Golf Lima Golf, final 26, touch and go.
Roger Lima Golf, the wind is 240, 15 to 20 knots.
Golf Lima Alpha, downwind to London.
Roger, Golf Lima Alpha.
Centre line, George. Absolutely crap. Fucking hell. Rubbish. Sort yourself out, man.
Lima Echo, downwind.
Roger.
Golf Lima Golf, downwind 26, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Golf.
Good heading there, I'd say. Trim, some trim, a bit high still. Okay there. Okay, brakes are off, undercarriage is down, mixture is rich, fuel pumps on. Sufficient for a go around, T's and P's are in the green.
Golf Lima Alpha, final lap.
On.
Roger, Lima Alpha. The wind is 240 to 250, gusting 15 to 20.
Turn on to base. Brake there. Let's sink.
Golf Lima Echo, final touch and go.
Roger, Lima Echo. The wind is 24 to 250, gusting 15 to 20. Roger.
Close here, I think I'll have to back off on the next circuit, the wider one. Final. Oh. Golf Lima Golf, downwind 26, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Golf.
Golf Lima Alpha, backtracking 26.
Have you seen the aeroplane on finals?
Hey, firm, full number.
Going round.
Golf Lima Echo's going around.
Roger, Lima Echo.
See how we're looking. Down up. Should be alright to land it. It's this one. Round, I'll give it seconds yet. Gonna be okay. You're okay.
Golf Lima Alpha, runway vacated.
Roger.
Jesus Christ, what's going on with these landings today, man?
Golf Lima Echo, downwind.
Roger, Lima Echo.
Oh dear. Bad day. Don't get one on that bloody centre line.
Tatenhill Radio, Golf Lima Delta, we're approximately 5 miles west of the airfield, 2,000 feet on 997 for rejoin.
Roger, we're still using runway 26 left hand and we're still using 997 millibars. Be aware the circuit is active.
26 left, 997, copy the circuit traffic, Golf Lima Delta.
Golf Lima Golf, downwind 26, touch and go.
Roger, Lima Golf.
Still a bit nose high there. brakes are off, undercarriage is down, mixture's rich, fuel pump is on, sufficient for a go around, T's and P's are in the green, amateurs charging, suction, okay, car B on, hatches and harnesses secure.
Golf Lima Echo, final touch and go.
Roger Lima Echo, the wind is 250 at 14 knots.
Space now. Space. Good. 1, 2.
Golf Lima Delta, so we had shortly to descend dead side. We'll call you downwind.
Roger Lima Delta.
Golf Lima Golf, final 26, touch and go.
Roger Lima Golf. The wind is 255 at 15 to 20 knots gusting.
Lima Echo, downwind.
Roger.
Too bad, considering the approach was...
Golf Lima Echo, final.
Roger.
Golf Lima Golf, downwind 26, touch and go.
Roger Lima Golf. The wind is 250, gusting 15 to 20.
Downwind, didn't I? Ourselves downwind or not? Okay, brakes are off, undercarriage is down, mixture's rich, fuel pump is on, T's and P's are in the green, sufficient fuel for a go around, RP on, hatches and harnesses are secure, bone's not comfortable now, better. Right, where are we looking? Where are we? Okay, turn, base.
Golf Lima Echo's backtrack. Roger Lima Echo.
Golf Lima Delta, downwind to land.
Roger. Golf Lima Echo, runway vacate. Roger Lima Echo.
Golf Lima Golf, final 26, touch and go.
Roger Lima Golf. The wind is 250 at 15 to 20 knots.
Oh, adjusting. Right here, straighten her up. Centre line.
Golf Lima Delta, final.
Roger Lima Delta. The wind is 250 at 15 to 20 knots.
Centre line.
Tatenhill radio, good afternoon, Golf Delta Delta Alpha Yankee at the intersection requesting airfield information.
Roger Alpha Yankee, we're using runway 26 left hand, the QNH is 1012 and the QFE is 9097 millibars.
26 left, 997 and 1012, Golf Alpha Yankee, will be backtracking after the landing aircraft.
Roger Alpha Yankee.
Mate, it's a good one to finish with, Con. Ooh. More height. Level off there. To me.
Lima Delta backtracking.
Roger Lima Delta.
It's the backtrack.
Golf Lima Golf, downwind 26 to land.
Roger Lima Golf.
undercarriage is down, mixture is rich, fuel pumps on, mission for a go around, T's and P's are in the green, RV on, hatches and harness secure. Be a good one to finish on then. Let's turn onto base.
Golf Lima Delta, we clear the active.
Roger, Lima Delta. Alpha Yankee, can you see the aeroplane just on finals, coming on finals? Over. Golf Alpha Yankee, clear of the active. Roger, Alpha Yankee.
Golf Lima Golf, final 26 to land.
Roger, Lima Golf. The wind is 260 at 8 to 20 knots.
Thank you, I'll be backtracking after landing as well.
Roger.
Golf Lima Golf, backtracking 26.
Roger, Lima Golf. Golf Alpha Yankee lining up 26. Roger, Alpha Yankee.
Golf Lima Golf, runway vacated.
Roger.